Hey guys, today we have an exciting truck, actually one of our builds. This is a 1986 Fender 90. The reason I call them 90 because the wheelbase is only 90 inches. So it's got a short wheelbase, it's a two-door. And we've built this truck maybe like 3 years ago, so we're not gonna go super deep in it. We're getting ready with this new 110 pickup crew cab that we're building that is sick, that we're gonna show in the next episode. But we just wanted to show this truck off real quick. Super cute truck. This car just came back to our inventory, and whatever reason, every time this truck comes back, I always find myself driving it. I just drove it home. I drove it for a couple days, and I just love this little thing. It's super cool. You can throw the dogs in the back. It's got little flip seats. But let's talk a little bit about the drivetrain on this thing. Let's open it up and see what it has. So this has like our base upgrades on it. It has the LT1 Direct Injected that comes out of the Corvette, or they use them on the Tahoes, Suburbans, Silverados. They use them on a lot of different applications. It's attached to an 8-speed automatic. Just a great little drivetrain. We do use now the 10-speed automatic as our base. Back when we built this, they only offered the 8-speed in the four-wheel drive transmission for us. But it's a pretty base build. It doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles. It's just a cool little truck. Upgraded the shocks on it. We upgraded the headlights to our Fusion headlights that you can get on our website. Any 7-inch headlights to put in a muscle car or anything else, you could just pick them up from us. They're DOT approved. Bigger radiator. And then we show you on the inside a lot of the upgrades we did on it. It's got the skinnier tires, no lift. Factory Land Rover wheels. We went on Coopers on this trucks, but now on all our new trucks, we're using the Toyo's Open Country RTs. But like I said, super cool truck. Sliding windows. It's a factory sunroof truck, so that's super cool. It sounds amazing. It's got our exhaust system on it. This is our medium. We have a louder exhaust and a quieter exhaust. This one is right in the middle. Just super cool little truck. Upgraded LED tail lights. It's got the US spec type of bumpers with the hitch in it. It's got obviously our logo that we built it right here in LA. Not a lot of upgrades. It's got the color flares on it. Pretty straightforward, but it does have a crazy stereo in it. We did put a nice stereo on the truck. It's got backup camera. We'll see that when I'm driving the truck. You can see the camera right here. Got a little light that we added up here if you're doing some work at night. It's got the traditional, we put aftermarket flip seats in it. It's got a thing, we put two 8-inch JL audio subs in it. So this thing, stereo is amazing. Block top. So yeah, super cool truck. I want to go drive it. We won't spend too much time on it because I want to do a detailed video on our newer builds. Wait when you see that truck. But yeah, let's go drive it, and I'll show you some stuff that we did on the inside. Notice the Mercedes pedals that we've done on it. So it's got the newer dash off the newer Defenders, and then it has the newer gauge pack from the newer Defenders, and then we do an upgrade in the middle. You can see it says Fusion, and then it gives you all the info like transmission temperature, oil pressure, coolant temperature, gear selector, what gear you're in. Super cool little options on the truck. Upgraded wheel. We don't have that huge wheel anymore. We do this little wheel that works really well. Center console with cup holders. Hear this thing. This thing sounds amazing. Yeah. Upgraded AC unit. Got a lot of good goodies in it. Heated seats. So it's got the right equipment on it. You know, you can really go and drive it. And like I said, when this truck, every time it comes in, I find myself driving it. It's super cute, drives well. Even with the 90-inch wheelbase, it actually rides really well. Just gonna do a little drive, take it to a Starbucks, use our cup holders, and drive it back. This thing pulls pretty good. All-time all-wheel drive. With the locking diff on it. So should do good off-roading as well. These trucks are pretty legendary to go off-roading. They do really well. Straight axles, front and back.
So loud.
It's pretty quick, right?
Yeah.
Only when you get on it. I like this exhaust because when you get on it, it gets loud. But you can see I'm here in the drive-thru. It's super quiet. Just sounds a little throaty. And like I said, we have different options on the exhaust. We can make it even louder. We can make it quieter. This one is kind of like right in the middle. That I don't mind. That's about right. This trucks we complete. Everything is redone on this truck. So all the wiring, chassis, suspension, all the axles, everything is redone. This truck should hold up for many years. Super cool. If you guys want to see more images or more information on this truck, it's also on our website, so you can go and take a look at more details on it. Yeah, could I do a grande ice matcha green tea latte with almond milk? Appreciate it. All right, guys, so just came back from another Starbucks run, but love to know what you guys think about this truck. Do you prefer a D90 where it's the 90-inch wheelbase, or do you like the four-door, what we call the 110? It has a 110-inch wheelbase. Let us know. We will do more videos with this Defenders in the future, so you guys can see some of the other builds we have going on. And thanks for watching the channel. See you on the next video.